What's going on, guys? It's a quick video today on how to magnetize your screwdrivers. You will need a donut shaped magnet or one of these 3-in-1 magnetizer kit. This is about $10 from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. Alright, this kit comes with two. It's a magnetizer, demagnetizer, and also a screw stabilizer. As you can see, this screwdriver is not magnetized. To magnetize, just slide a magnetizer over the screwdriver. Alright, let's see if it works on an Allen wrench. Not bad at all. Alright, let's try to demagnetize it. You just gotta slide it on the side. Again, the link will be in the description below. Don't forget to smash a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Take care.